Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available, GetCoordinates2D. It allows you to create a table of coordinates associated with reference points. You can extract either 3D XYZ coordinates or 2D XY coordinates in projected mode. I will confirm 3D mode. I can then choose a table of coordinates and I can create and modify my own templates. I'll confirm the default template. I'll then choose the origin of my coordinate system. I'll select the center of this circle and confirm it. A table is automatically created in my plan with the first line and first reference point to indicate the origin. I will then select the following points to extract. You can select points or vertices and filter the selection types. You can select entities and extract all points or vertices automatically from them. GetCoordinates2D creates a macro feature. It's possible to edit the function and modify it. I'm going to modify the origin of my extraction reference point. And add new points with a comment. If I modify the dimensions of a table, the labels are automatically updated. If you would like to know more about the other tools available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.